Today we will discuss progressions in 10th class topic. Okay, in that arithmetic progressions. It can also be denoted with AP, means arithmetic progressions. A sequence A1, A2, A3 up to AN is called an arithmetic progression if there exists a constant number D such that A2 term is equal to A1 plus D, A3 term is equal to A2 plus D, like that A4 term is equal to A3 plus D, up to nth term An is equal to An minus 1 plus D. If you observe here, A4 means we have to add this constant D to the previous term A3. In that A3, constant term D is added to the previous term A2, like that. If it is like that, then we can say that this sequence is in arithmetic progression. Okay, means the first term is A, it can also be denoted with A1. So A2 means A1 plus D, means nothing but A plus D here. Here first term is taken as A or A1, both are same. So third term A2 plus D. Here if you observe here, A3 is equal to A2 plus D. What is A2? A1 plus D plus D. This one is same. Then this is A1 plus 2D. It can also be written as A plus 2D. That's why this is A3, A4, like that. So this D means we will say that is the common difference. So A2 minus A1 is equal to that common difference, and A3 minus A2 means the difference of consecutive terms also we can say that. Okay. General term of an AP, arithmetic progression. First term we assume that as A, second term already we have written A2 is A plus D, A3 is A plus 2D, like that nth term can be expressed as Tn or An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. If you observe here, this is A2 means the coefficient of D is 1 only, less than this number, like that A3 here the coefficient of common difference D is 2, less than 1 of this A third term, like that nth term. So the first term A plus less than 1 of this nth term means n minus 1 of D. So this is the formula for nth term of a arithmetic progression. Suppose if you have taken an example, a sequence which is in AP, that is 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, like that. Here the first term is 1. It can be expressed as A1 or A. And the common difference, already we know that the difference of consecutive terms, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3, or 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, 10 minus 7, 3, 13 minus 10, like that. So now if you want to find the sixth term in this arithmetic progression, the formula already we know, A plus n minus 1 into D. In this A is 1 and n is, we have to find sixth term, and D common difference is 3. So if you substitute A is 1, n is 6 and D is 3 in this formula of nth term, we can get this is 1 plus 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 times of 3, that is 1 plus 15, 16. So common difference is 3, already we know. If we add 3 for 1, 1 plus 3, 4. Again if we add 3, this common difference to 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 3, 16. That is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth term, that is 6. So, and sixth term is 16.